What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna do a quick dive. We're already kind of racing the daylight, so I'm just gonna get in really quick, try to get one little fish for dinner, and we're gonna cook it up on the beach. It's really simple, nothing's fancy. So yeah, I got my spear gun and I'm gonna mount the GoPro on my mask. We're gonna get out there and hopefully get a Greenling. It's the only thing that's open right now. So yeah, it's low tide and I think the viz is pretty good. Really overcast day, not great lighting. I think it might even start raining soon. But yeah, gonna get a fish, make a fire, and cook it up. So let's go. I often find that diving on a falling tide tends to have better viz. It was my first dive and I already saw a couple of Greenling, but they were on the smaller side, so I didn't take the shot. Because of the low tide, it was shallow enough and clear enough that I could see fish sitting on the bottom while I was on the surface. This used to be a thriving kelp forest, but the sea urchins completely decimated it. I wanted to see if I could use an urchin to bait a fish. To my surprise, it actually worked really well. A Greenling came in right away and started eating the uni. So I dove down and took my shot. We got the fire building. Gonna get some nice coals on it, and then we'll get this Greenling on there. The fire almost failed. Well, it did die on us completely. Twice. But we got it going, and it's almost dark. But I'm just gonna crank the ISO on the camera so that we can see what we're cooking. But yeah, basically we got these Greenling here, and I got this oil with some spices that I prepared. Just to keep things easy, I made this little mix. It's just olive oil and salt, chili, garlic, some Italian herbs and spices, and some chili powder as well, because we like it spicy. Honestly, just like roasted fish on a fire, like a little bit of salt. Like that's all you really need. But this is like easy, but it's gonna be a little leveled up.
And the oil is gonna make the skin feel nice.
All right, so what are we sipping on today? Got the Stanley Park Trail Hopper IPA.
And my favorite this year, the Phillips Dino Sour. screaming. Cheers, Willow.
Oh god. Look at her. Yeah.
I really burned my finger, you know.
I wonder how much noise there is, you know? Alrighty, so doing this in the dark, but it is what it is. And so we're just gonna quickly butterfly this fish like I've done in previous videos. Don't have a fillet knife because I didn't want to pack it for the hike, but I think this Leatherman's gonna do just fine. It's actually, this knife is so sharp. Been wanting to get a Leatherman for so long before I got this thing, and I'm so glad that I did, because it's so good. So I'm just cutting down along the spine. There's this little rib cage that you got to cut through as well. And some blood stuck in here. I wonder what happened there. I thought this was a stone shot. So we opened her up. Oh, actually I should go get that. The grill. I'm just gonna go like that. Oil her up. Oh yeah. Getting hungry just doing this. Alright, now we got our grill. Our very old grill. Open her up. And I'm gonna set that down. Oh, it's so hot that it's already starting to cook. And I'm gonna take my little oil mixture here. I'll actually just drizzle it. As you can see, boom. Hit it with that oil. Get some on the head too. You're gonna eat all of that. Oh yeah.
Sorry, Willow's just ruining everything.
It's okay. And we're gonna go put that together. Oh yeah. But first, gotta get the fire ready. Alright, so we got some nice hot coals. Some good coals right there. It's not for you, Willow. We got another fish for you, though. All right. And then it's just gonna go on there. It's not gonna take long. That's some good heat right there. I'll hit it with some light. That looks good. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, those you see the garlic and the chili and the... Dude, that's cooking so nicely. Alrighty. Should we put it back on the...
It smells like barbecue. Mmm. There's a crispiness. This is very different than the smoked campfire fish we did, but just as good. This is that good. It's that level tasty. It's so good. It's charred perfectly. Like just a little bit. Here, have some. He takes it and goes and lays down.